Metric measurement conversions. Let's begin by going over the base measurements in the metric system. For mass, or weight, they use grams. The abbreviation is lowercase g. For capacity or volume, they use liters, and the abbreviation for that is capital L. And for length, they use meters, and its abbreviation is lowercase m. How can we convert between measurements within the metric system? Take a moment to pause this video and think about it, and when you're done, unpause it. To convert measurements within the metric system, we multiply or divide by multiples of 10. When we step downwards or convert to a smaller unit, you multiply. To step up or convert to a larger unit, you divide. So in this example, we're starting off with 1 kilometer, and we're figuring out how many meters that is. So we're starting way up high at the top of the steps, and we're going down 1, 2, 3 steps to get to the base unit meter. So we need to multiply by 10 3 times, times 10, times 10, times 10. So if we multiply 1 by 10 3 times, we end up with 1,000. Therefore, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. A gram is a base unit. To convert a gram down to a milligram, we would hop down 1, 2, 3 steps. So we can fill in that 3. Or we're going to multiply by 10 3 times. So 10 times 10 times 10. You could also put 1,000 in the blank as well, because 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1,000. And here are the solutions. We were correct. We went down 3 steps, so we have to multiply by 1,000, or 10 times 10 times 10. Think about this. A paper clip weighs 1 gram. So imagine what could weigh 1 milligram. Now let's try an example where our metric conversions match up. Drag each measurement that's found to the right to its equivalent measurement on the left. So here we have 36 meters. So we're looking for something that ends in meters. Okay, I see 53 millimeters. No, that's definitely not it. Oh, we have 36 thousandths kilometers. Well, if we were to convert the meters to kilometers, we would have to divide by 1,000. That also makes us move the decimal point from 36 3 spaces to the left. So we need this extra 0 here. And we also can put one in front of where the decimal point is. Therefore, the correct answer to this first one is 36 thousandths of a kilometer. Now let's look at the next one. We have 53 10,000ths of a meter is equal to what? Well, we do have 2 that deal with millimeters, so let's actually multiply our meters by 1,000, because there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. So that will have us move the decimal point 3 spaces to the right. So the decimal point is going to end up being in between the 5 and the 3. So we have 5 3/10 millimeters. So we can drag this box into there. Okay, so now we have this very small amount of grams, and we're going to convert it to milligrams. In order to convert it to milligrams, we're going to multiply by 1,000. And that's going to have us move the decimal point 3 spaces to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to have 0.056 milligrams. So that's this answer choice there. Okay, now we have 5,300,000 milliliters, and we're going to convert it to liters. Well, in order to convert it to liters, we're going to divide this by 1,000. And when we are dividing by 10 each time, we can cross out zeros, which also is moving our decimal point 3 spaces to the left. So therefore, 5,300,000 milliliters is equal to 5,300 liters. And now our last one, we have this very small amount of kilometers and we're going to convert it to millimeters. Well, we have to multiply by not just 1,000, we have to actually multiply it by 1,000,000 because we're moving 6 steps down on that stairwell that we had. So we have 1,000,000 millimeters in a kilometer, so we can move the decimal point 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, that's 6 spaces to the right. So that's going to be 53 millimeters. And here are the solutions to the examples that we worked through, and they do indeed match the solutions that we found.